Okay, great, great. So let's start our class. So you can use the chat box. As you know, there is the option of chat. All of you know, if you know that, kindly give me a thumbs up. Where is the chat? Okay. So can you guess what is our today's topic? You can write in the chat box.
I don't know, ma'am. This is my
You can guess. Number sense. Okay, Krishna and Pramanik. Okay, he said number sense. So all of you agree? Or do you have other topic in your mind that what topic we will start today? Can anyone guess?
I don't know.
Not even guess?
I don't know.
Okay,
This is
okay.
not first class.
Okay, so Krishna is right. We will start today number sets. Okay, based on number names or number sense. You know, number is the basic thing for maths. If we want to do maths, we should know the numbers. So you know counting, right? Okay, so you know counting till 100 or more than 100. You can write in the chat box. Yes, Ishanvi, you also could use the chat box. You know counting up to 100 or more than 100. Okay, 1,000. Very good. 10. Okay, it's 10,000. Krishna said 10,000. What about others? More than 100. Okay, Ayansh has written more than 100. That's great. Can you see my screen? If yes, just give me thumbs up. All of you? Okay, so let's start. Now, numerals, number names, and number sense. You know what is numeral? You can raise your hand. I'll give chance one by one. Okay, yes, Krishna.
Numerals are the numbers by which we write in mathematics.
Yeah, exactly. Numerals basically are the numbers that we use in mathematics or whenever it's needed. So you all have phone, right? How many numbers do we have in our mobile phone? Is it 1,000, 10,000, or what? You can raise your hand. You must dial numbers. Okay, Krishna said 10. All of you agree with Krishna? Is it 10? Okay, Mishika agreed. What about others? Anyone has any other answer? Hi, Tanush. Kindly switch on your camera so I can see you. Okay, do you have a mobile phone right now? If not, just get it quickly. Go and get it fast. Mobile phone. Please give me some time. Okay. Okay, Tanush.
Ma'am, can I go to the washroom?
Yeah. Come back fast. Okay. Okay, so Krishna has his phone. What about others? Okay, Ishanvi. Do you have mobile phone? Great. What about Ayansh? Okay, Mishika also has. Okay, so Mishika, you tell me how many numbers you can see in your mobile phone?
10.
10. Can you tell me the numbers? It starts from
1 to 0.
1 to 0. Raghav, would you like to tell Mishika? Yes, Raghav. Kindly unmute yourself. Shriyan.
Ma'am, there are 10 numbers.
It starts from where?
It starts from 1 to 0.
Okay, we can say start from 0. It starts from 0 to 9. Right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we want to make 10, so we will write 1, 0, 10. If we want to make 11, we will use 1 twice. 1, 1, 11. Am I right? So for any number, we just need these 10 numbers 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mishika, did you understand?
Yes.
Can you tell me how many numbers we need to make numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And
0.
0. Good. Okay, you know number names? All of you know
Yes,
number
ma'am.
names up to 100? Okay.
Yes.
Number
Ma'am.
sense. Let's start with numbers. Okay, so today the topic we will cover in number names and number sense: even numbers, odd numbers, number and number breaks, before, after and between, face value, place value, expanded form, short form, comparison of numbers, ascending and descending. So we will cover one by one. Okay, let's start with even numbers and odd numbers. Starting with, okay, so this is a number line 1 to 100. Let's start with even number. So do you know what is even number? Can anyone tell me what is even number?
Those are divided.
Okay, that is divisible by 2. Yes, Krishna.
The numbers which are divisible by 2 are end by the 5 numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0.
Yeah, basically that is divisible by 2. Yeah. So let's start. Or we can say that if there is, make of pair of 2, so that is even number. For example, Raghav and Ishanvi. You are in pairs, right? So this is even. Krishna and Shriyan Raghav. You both are in pair. So this is even. Ayansh and Tanush, these two are pair. So that is even. But there is no pair with me. So that is odd. Okay. If you don't have any pair, that is odd. And if you have pair, that is even. So basically, even numbers can be divisible by 2. And odd numbers cannot divisible by 2. Got it? Great. So let's continue. Okay, so Mishika, kindly read the pointers.
Even numbers are those which are exactly divisible by 2. Example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 can also be divided by 2 with no remainder. These numbers can be divided into exactly equal groups or pairs. Example 10 can be divided into 2 groups of 5. 20 can be divided into 2 groups of 10. Even numbers are multiples of 2. So they can be divided for 1 pairs. Example 6 can be divided to form 3 pairs. If Johan had 12 balls and he wants to pair them, he will get 6 pairs with no spare balls.
Thank you. Yeah, so basically even numbers can divisible by 2 and the last number of any number should be 2, 4, 6, 0. That means it is even number. Okay. For example, as I said, we have 2 pairs. So that is even. And I left with no pair. So that is odd. So for example, if you have 10 balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many groups I can make in pairs? Who will tell me? Yes, Krishna, you are right. It's 5. Yes, Ishanvi, 5. So we can make 5 pairs. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same goes with 20. If I have 20 balls, so I can make 10 pairs. Okay. So let's go with the next. Properties of even numbers. Properties means, see, numbers either we have to add, multiply, subtract. Okay, so let's know about more. So who will read? Ayansh, would you like to read properties of even number? I'll give chance to everyone. Don't worry.
Let's have a look at the different properties of numbers like addition, multiplication, subtraction, and the way and any even number behaves in such cases.
Thank you. Yes, so properties of even number means like properties, example, addition, multiplication, and subtraction. So let's look the property of addition. Yes, Krishna, would you like to read property of addition?
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly read.
Yes. Property of addition. The sum of two even numbers is an even number. For example, 14 plus 8 is equal to 22. The sum of an even number and an odd number is an odd number. For example, 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. The sum of two odd numbers is an even number. For example, 13 plus 7 is equal to 20.
Thank you. See, so the property of addition means if we add two even numbers, so we will get the answer in even number. For example, 14 is even and 8 is also even. And if we add both of them, so we will get 22, which is also even number. If the sum of even number and odd number, like one number is even, 8, and other one is odd, 9 is odd. When we add both of them, so we will get odd number. Okay. And the sum of two odd numbers, for example, 13 and 7, both are odd number. When we add them, so we will get even number. Mishika?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the sum of two odd numbers would be even number or odd?
Two and 4.
No, I'm asking the sum of two odd numbers would be even or odd. If we add two odd numbers, for example, 9 plus 7, so answer will come in even or odd?
Even.
Yeah, even. Good. For example, 3 plus 7. 3 is also odd and 7 is also odd number. When we add them, we will get 10, and 10 is even. Is it easy?
Yes.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my next question is for Ayansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Could you tell me the sum of one even number and other one odd number?
Yeah.
What is the sum of one even and one odd? If we have
Odd.
one even number, yeah, odd. For example, 2 is even and 3 is odd.
Odd.
2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 is odd.
Odd.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to the next one, property of subtraction. Tanush, would you like to read property of subtraction? Okay, Ishanvi, you read property of subtraction.
Okay, ma'am. The difference between two even numbers is an even number. For example, 42 minus 8 is equal to 34. The difference between an even number and an odd number is an odd number. For example, 22 minus 7 equal to 50. The difference between two odd numbers is an even number. For example, 35 minus 50 equal to 20.
Thank you. Okay, before I answer the question, I think someone asked me something in chat. Okay, Krishna, you can unmute yourself and then ask what you would like to know.
Ma'am, actually, you had just written that in pencil form that 9 plus 3 is equal to 5. It should be 12, ma'am.
Where?
You have just erased it.
Okay, maybe I did it by mistake.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so property of subtraction. When we subtract two even number, so we will get answer in even number. For example, 42 minus 8, 34. The difference between one even number and one odd. For example, 22 is even and 7 is odd. When we subtract both of them, we will get answer in odd number. And the difference between two odd number is even number. For example, 35 minus 15 minus, sorry, answer is 2. So now you have to give me the answer in chat box. All of you just give me example of difference between two odd even numbers. Write in the chat box two even numbers. The difference of any two even numbers. the difference of any two even number. For example, 2 and 4, both are even number. 4 minus 2, like that. Ishanvi, you want some help? You can ask me. Okay, Mishika has written 24 minus 12 is 12. Good. Ayansh, 22 minus 2 is 20. Good. What about others? Shriyan, Ishanvi, Krishna. Okay, Krishna has written 34 minus 4 is 30. Shanvi has written 4 minus 2 is 2. Great. So all of you got it? What is the property of addition and subtraction? If yes, just give me thumbs up. Okay, great, great. Any problem? Any confusion? No? Where were we? Yeah, property of multiplication. So, who did not get the chance to read? Shriyan,
Yes, ma'am.
would you like to read property of multiplication?
Yes, ma'am. The product of two even numbers.
Read louder.
The product of two even numbers is an even number. For example, 12 fours are 48. The product of an even number and odd number is an even number. For example, 8 5 are 40.
Thank you. So, property of multiplication is really easy. It is very simple. For example, the two, if we multiply two even number, we will get answer in even. For example, 12 fours are 48. And if we multiply one even and one odd number, so we will get answer in even. For example, 8 into 5, 40. Okay, so in case we will get the answer only in even numbers. So have you understood all the properties of addition, multiplication, and subtraction? So we can move the next one. Great. I can ask question to anyone. So you should be clear. Mishika, have you understood the properties of multiplication, subtraction? Let's move to the next. See the chart of even number 1 to 100. These are the numbers which are divisible by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and so on. Okay. Next, odd numbers. As I said that odd numbers are those numbers which cannot divide by 2. Okay. So, for example, 1, 3, 5, 7. Can you give me more examples apart from 1, 3, 5, 7? Just tell me very quickly. Okay, Ayansh. Ayansh.
11.
11. Krishna.
31.
41. Mishika.
43.
43. Great. Shriyan. 89. 89. Tanush. Okay, well done. I must say that you all students are really sharp and good. That's a great thing. I like when people, students participate in class. Okay, this is the rule, two odd numbers make one even. One even and one, sorry. is this? Okay, two even numbers means even. One even, one odd makes odd number. One odd, one even makes odd number. So this is a simple rule. Let's move to the next one. Naman wants to choose a pair of stars whose sum is an odd number. Which pair of star will he choose? Naman wants to choose the pair of stars, but the sum of stars should be in odd. So which is the correct option? Who will tell me? Which is the right answer? Okay, according to Krishna, it's C. What about others? C. Ayansh is also saying C. Mishika? Okay, so the right answer is C. Here is written incorrect. This is not B. If you add these two numbers, 168 and 111, you will get answer in odd. For example, 168, you have to add 111. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 1, 2. So the last number is odd. 9 is odd. So the whole number is odd number, 279. So the right answer is C. Okay. Let's move to the next one. This question I would like to ask to Ishanvi. Which pair of cards has even sum? Ishanvi, are you there? Okay, Shriyan, would you like to answer? Which of the option has even sum? Count them. Okay, let's do it together. So let's count the first one, A. How many hearts are there? Just tell me in action. 4. And how many birds are there?
14.
How many birds are there? Yes, 9. So 9 plus 4? 13.
9 in the 13.
Yeah. How many stars are there? 5. And dots? 8. 5 plus 8?
13.
Again 13. How many balls are there? 7. Right? And how many pencils are there? 4. 7 plus 4?
7 minus 4 7 के बाद आता 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah. How many triangles are there? 5. And squares?
9.
9 plus 5?
14.
So the sum of even is 14.
14.
So the right answer is D. Thank you. Okay, let's
It is
move.
already there. D.
Yeah, it is written already there. In case you did not understand, so that is why I explained. Kindly all of you mute yourself.